Every night at exactly 9:17 p.m., her phone buzzed. One voice note from a number she deleted 2 years ago. She never listened, not because she didn't care, but because the last time she heard his voice he promised, "I'll be back before the baby starts walking." The baby was 5 now, and today he asked, "Mummy, why do you always look sad at 9:17?" That night the voice note came again, but this time it stopped halfway. She pressed play. "If you're hearing this, then I didn't make it home. Please don't let our child think I forgot him." Her phone slipped from her hand, and at 9:17 p.m. the next night, there was no voice note, just one message. "Daddy's phone has gone offline.